Hello everyone, my name is Bushra Mujahid, technical developer at Coursel Technology, and today I am going to show you how to create attributes in WooCommerce using Variable Swatches plugin. Variable Swatches is used to show various swatches such as color swatches, size swatches, design swatches and other swatches too. To add this plugin, first go to its dashboard where you can see plugin, click on add new plugin and search for variable swatches plugin. Here you can see the plugin name called variable swatches for WooCommerce. I have already installed, so I'll go to product to show you how to add attributes. So go to attributes and here you can see three attributes I have already added for this website AJ collection, that is color, design and size. And to show you how to add attribute, I'll create one attribute, that is color, and select this and select from here color to show the color and click this add attribute. Here you can see the attribute colors is added. To add color in this attribute, click on configure terms and write here the name of the color which you want to add. That is, I want to add blue color, so I'll write here blue and select here the color, or just type here the color code which you want to add and just click on add new color. Here you can see the color has been added. Like this you can add any type of attribute. I'll show you another one, that is I want to add a attribute called designs. So I'll select here image and I'll check this and add this attribute. And you can see here the attribute design has been created. To add designs, click on configure terms. I'll name this name a design called patches and upload the image of the patches. Example this, like this we can select a design and add this. You can see here the patches design has been created. Like this n number of attributes you can create in WooCommerce using variable swatches.